Hello there, welcome to Lumi Center training course. In this chapter, I will walk you through some basics of analytics. So the first question is, what is analytics? Analytics refers to detection tools. The detection tools allow you to analyze the video and audio stream and use the analysis results to trigger some events or realize certain functions. They have an algorithm or a set of algorithms so as to understand what is happening in the video stream. It will keep running in the background and record all the information for future references. Therefore, no action is performed in the system when an event from a detection tool or sub-detection tool is received. To perform an action, you may create an automatic rule or a macro. Now that I mentioned detection tool or sub-tool, I'm going to introduce detection tool levels. So actually for detection tools, we have two levels. The first level is the detection tool itself. This is the set of algorithms that do the analysis of stream. It is responsible for analyzing what is happening in the video stream and record the data in the database. If you want to realize some other features based on that data, you will have to use the sub-tools based on the parent detection tools. A detection sub-tool is a detection tool that processes the data received from the parent analytic tool. If you want to use analytics detection tools, in other words, there are some prerequisites. So first, you need to make sure that the add-on has been installed. If you want to use face recognition, for example, you need to install the face recognition add-on. If you want to use neural tracker, then you need to install the neural tracker add-on. If you want to use the vehicle tracker, you need to install the vehicle add-on. Second, you need to have the proper license to use some detection tools. Last but not least, the user needs to have the permission to configure the detection tool. As you know, Lumi Center is a very intelligent and powerful VMS. Therefore, it supports all kinds of algorithms with all kinds of detection tools. These detection tools are divided into several categories. The first category is the most classic, trackers. So with the trackers, you can realize some most basic VMS features, including line crossing, motion in area, and so on. As I just mentioned, detection tools have two levels, the detection tools themselves and the detection sub-tools. You need to create first in Lumi Center a detection tool, for example, a motion detection tool, and you can then realize these features based on that detection tool. You may realize that for different detection tools, the sub-detection tools are actually the same. So what is the difference here? We have motion detection, neural tracker, and object tracker. These are the mostly used ones. But neural tracker and object tracker are powered by matched data and have a better accuracy of analysis. These two trackers also support secondary search based on the matched data. This is something that motion detection tracker doesn't support. But these two trackers require additional license purchase. The second type of detection tools is related to the hardware itself, including audio loss, noise cancellation, signal detection, and tampering detection. These are divided into the category of service. To use these detection tools, you do not need sub-detection tools. It's very easy to understand because it doesn't really do the analysis. It's just a kind of signal transmission that is very easy to detect. The next category of detection tool is related to face and vehicle. Based on these detection tools, Lumi Center is able to detect human faces and license plate numbers. Based on the matched data, you can realize basic VMS functions. You can also search the face pictures from Lumi Center as you wish. You can also configure some macros to warn you if a specific license plate has been detected. The next category is related to poses of human being. You can use this detection tool to specifically analyze the gesture and the pose of the human in the video stream. You can let LumiCenter warn you if a specific pose has been detected. You can also use the macro to realize higher functions. For example, if a specific vehicle has been detected and within a specific duration of time, LumiCenter has detected someone is doing a specific pose so that it can warn you. This will help you realize more complicated alarms in more complicated scenarios. The next category of detection tools is related to production safety. It is mainly used to detect fire and light. Last but not least is the detection tool that is divided into the category of retail. As you can see, these detection tools are specifically for the retail scenario, especially this barcode detection. Also, you can use these detection tools to analyze the flow of customers of a store. This could be very useful if you want to analyze the business of your chain market. These are basically all the categories of detection tools that we have on LumiCenter.